Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 9. Which city's museum restoration project has been conferred with Award of Excellence at UNESCO? Options: Bangalore, Mumbai, Cochin, Panaji. So before looking into the answer, let's see which museum was restored and what is this Award of Excellence by UNESCO. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya Museum was established in 1922 as the Prince of Wales Museum. This 100-year-old museum documents the history of India from prehistoric to modern times. It was established to commemorate the visit of the Prince of Wales to India. The museum was later renamed after Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. About this UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards, this program was launched in 2000 to recognize the efforts of private individuals and organizations who are involved in restoring the old buildings which are of considerable cultural significance. So the answer for the question is option B, Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum restoration project was awarded with Award of Excellence by UNESCO. And here is another question for you. Which technology company has launched a platform that displays flood forecast named FloodHub? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. And also, uh, I have been posting a lot of questions on my community tab, so don't forget to check it out.